Yeah, it's giving pay me. Thank you. Beautiful people, and welcome to Look on Kiss TV. So today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, is over this beautiful I like to call it like copper brown burgundy type vibes. That's what it's giving in person. I'm not sure you can get that over the, yeah, super cute. So we are going with Hurela hair today. They sent over this unit and it came with obviously the satin cap, this headband, a wig cap, and then we have a bag of goodies, which consists of another wig cap, a melt band, thank you so much, some cute lashes, cute. And then it also came with this, which I'm not even sure what this is. We are gonna find out together. Shut the fuck up. I actually needed this, like a contour brush. Thank you so much, Hurela hair. I love this. It'll go perfect in my work bag. Small. The cap won't get other things dirty. I love it. So they sent over a 13x4 lace front dark Auburn body wave. So this, I put a little curl in it and I layered this little piece right here. I also bleached the knots and I plucked. I didn't pluck a lot. Yes, I can add more here, but I did not want to do too much. Y'all know I'm all about affordable and easy, okay? No matter what, if you do all that or not, it's still gonna look like a wig. So this is what we came up with. I did do a half up, half down look, but I'm going to work and I didn't want, I feel like when you wear wigs half up, half down, unless you do the got to be spray, it'll like come down, if that makes sense. The hair is super soft. I don't get shedding. It did have a smell, which is the normal wig smell. I soaked it for 24 hours in conditioner and warm water, and the smell instantly went away. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair like a 7 or 8. I feel like it could be a little bit thicker density wise, but I'm not mad at it. I got compliments on it. I'm still getting used to it. People at my job love when I wear this color, but I still have to get used to it because I'm so used to black, and that's just pretty much it. That's all y'all ever see me in is black wigs. But I do like this hair. The lace, decent, not terrible. I wish it came plucked already. That was where they lost like a point or two with me, because I'm not really interested in spending time plucking hair. And with this, I had to spend time plucking it. So that's one thing I didn't like about it. But other than that, if it was a little bit thicker, get the highest density. If you order this wig, get the highest level of density, unless you like the thin natural look. And be prepared to pluck. Those are the only cons. Everything else I really love about the hair. Hella soft. As y'all can tell, it holds a curl. I just used like a, not a wand, but like a 1.5 inch barrel to curl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you like to see how I installed this, then just keep watching. If you guys want to save some coins, y'all already know, check out the description box below, because hey, we all about an affordable, easy install. That's it. That's it. I don't want $2,000, $1,200 wigs. I want something affordable that I can just plop on, and that's what it's giving. Her. If you think I'm not gonna pull tricks in this, you're fucking crazy. Are you kidding? Look at it. Yeah, it's giving pay me. Thank you. Anyways, like I said, if you want to watch me install this, then just keep on watching.